And this is how it looks like on mine Uno R3 board. It is actually one really cheap board and very good board that costs just maybe some $10 US. And you can even extend this application, and it's really simple if you use just one resistor, 470 ohms. I hope you can see it. It is 470 ohm and one LED. You connect it on resistor. You connect it to one side. Simple like this. That's just simple way to do it. And then you connect anode to 13. It is pass also, and the other side just has to go to the base, and you are going to see a result how it works, also just how you can extend application. I just actually really simple to do it. Also pass is on 13 and this is other side on the base. And you can see how it works. It's really simple to do it and work with Arduino. This is how it looks like.